in today's tutorial, we're going to show you how easily for you to create and print barcode label using EasyStore Barcode Label App. This tool will streamline your inventory management and help you to save time when it comes to generating labels or labeling your products. But before we start creating labels, right, make sure you have input the barcode information for your products. Once you have logged in into your EasyStore account, you can head over to product section and select. So for example, let's say if you prefer to do it in bulk, you can do it this way. So select all products, bulk edit, or you can export the product and fill in the information, the barcode information, then you import it back to EasyStore. So today we will go through these three products. So I will perform bulk editing as well. So once I've selected these three products, click bulk edit. So from here, I will add field, I'll add barcode. So I'll scroll over to the right hand side and fill in the required information here and then click save. Next, we can head over to apps, explore apps, and you can look for barcode and install this app and you're ready to go. So once this app is installed, you can add new template. And here's what you need to do. So first is name your template so you can easily identify them later. So maybe here I'll put label C. Next is choose the label type you need for your product. So here we have up to 10, 20, various type of sizing when it comes to labeling your products. So you can select what are your preferred label. So for example, we go with 100 times 50. And scrolling down, you would be able to customize the label details as well, including these information such as the title, variant names, labelings, like barcodes, barcode names, barcode height and numbers, SKU, and also price as well. And from here, you can adjust the size and preview the template on the right side here before you save it. So maybe we can try it out first. So maybe product name we put 10, variant name we put 10, barcode label we put 18, font size we put 8, SKU optional. You can untick it if you don't want to display SKU on your labeling. Price, definitely we need this, right? Put 10. Once all okay, click save. So once you have saved, you will come up on this template list. So here is a preview or a consolidated place where you can see the overall template list that you have created. So this is why it's very important for you to name your template. And to print your barcode labels, you can follow this instruction on top here. So you can click on this product and it will bring you to the product section. And again, I will test on these three products. So tick 1, tick 2, tick 3. More actions, print barcode labels. And when it comes to printing the labels, right, you can select the label template here. Okay, either label A, label C, label B, depending on how you name the template. So it's very important, again, I emphasize. So maybe we go with label C. And here we have three settings. So by general, when you go to this interface, it will show 0. So here you have the flexibility to decide how many numbers of label that you would like to print. So for example, maybe you only like to print 5 for each. So here we total up to 15 labels. But for example, let's say if you would like to print the labels to match your current item in stock. So you just need to click on this, click, and system will automatically update the number of labels according to the balance inventory that you have in EasyStore system. So here we can understand that we have 64 quantity for body wash, we have 77 for the ampoule, and 90 comb left in the system, which in total we have up to 231 labels to print. And the third option is you can print the same number of labels for all products. So for example, maybe here I fill in 100, and when I click apply all, it will automatically apply to the products that I have selected. So basically it running up to 300 labels to be printed out. Okay, and there will be another kind of labels that we set earlier on. So maybe here we will put label D. Then we will select either landscape or portal. So we'll select this one. You can select the sizes as well. Go with 15 and price. Definitely we need the price. So here you will be able to see the preview. Let's say if you print it in bulk within the same paper as well. Okay? And there would be some tips and FAQs regarding the barcode label app. So what kind of barcode format that we support at the moment? So let me show you. We can head over to products, select any of them, scroll down to this barcode part. So by general, system will automatically generate the format in code -128. However, let's say if you prefer to have other type of barcode format like ISBN, UPC, GTIN, or maybe EAN-13 and more, yes, we do support this different type of barcode format, as we didn't have a very dedicated fixed format in terms of the barcode lah. And how many barcode that you can print at a time? You can print up to 1,000 labels at a time. And what kind of device that we support? So for the device, as long as it can be connected via Bluetooth, you can actually print it out. But definitely you will look for the sizes that you prefer, relating back to the devices that you are using, right? And we will recommend using a thermal label printer as well for the best result. And that's it. You can easily manage your product labels and boost your inventory efficiency with EasyStore Barcode Label App.